Hello everyone! This is Jovelyn Peña-Flor, the Platinum Awardee and the first International Silver Awardee of Q Dynamics Global Corporation. Today, I will be discussing to you the features that I love the most in Q International Complan. Maybe some of you are wondering why I am turning my attention and focus in doing the Q International Network kaysa magpatuloy kung gawin yung local na platinum na ako. Isang hakbang na lang, magiging diamond na ako sa local. But then, sumugal ako sa Q International na magsimula ulit. But I'm so grateful, no regrets, because I already reached the second rank in international, which is the silver awardee. And now, right now, I am working for the gold position. Okay, so the features that I love the most in Q International is the global pool or the profit sharing. Yes, when we talk profit sharing, it is the total sales of the company worldwide that the company will be will give a share to the distributor if they can reach the certain position. So, when we talk profit sharing, it is the sales of the company na kung saan magbibigay sila ng porsyento para bahagi sa mga distributors na nakapag-attend or nakapag-reach ng rank. So, paano ba magkaroon ng profit sharing? So, paano ba magkaroon ng profit sharing? So, the profit sharing ay ibibigay yan start pag na-gold ka, pearl, platinum, and diamond. So, 4 na rank. So, when you reach the position of gold, okay, the company will give you 1 share. That is 1,666 US dollar, and Philippine currency, that is 100,000 more or less. Okay? Monthly. Yes, you heard it right. The profit sharing is monthly. Okay? So when you reach the gold position, you will get 1,666 US dollar. When you reach the gold position, you will get a profit sharing of 1,666 US dollars, or in Philippine currency, that is 100,000. Okay? So when you reach the pearl position, you will receive 2 shares. That is 3,333 US dollar. In Philippine money, that is 200,000 monthly. Okay? So when you reach the position, when you reach the platinum rank, you will get 5 shares. That is 8,333 US dollar, and Philippine currency, more or less, that is 500,000 or 500,000. Is it good? Yes. This is the last position that the majority this is the last position is diamond. So when you reach the diamond position, you will get 7 shares. That is 11,666 US dollars. In Philippine money, that is 1 million per month, more or less. Okay, is it amazing? Yes. This opportunity, I see myself that, you know, I can earn much bigger, but more than that, there is more important than earning. But I really love sharing people. I really love talking people, and I really love teaching people. So, sunod na lang yung kita. So, I believe pag mahal mo yung trabaho mo, susunod na lang yung income mo. So, if you are watching this video, I am urging you, or I am encouraging you to plug into international. So, when is the best time? For me, today is the best time. Sabi nga ni Robert Kiyosaki, one of the author of Retire Young and Retire Rich, today is for successful people. If you want to become rich, use the word today, not tomorrow.